This is our 24-inch pistol brass. Pretty much picks up everything but a 22. And it works on pretty much all terrains: grass, concrete, carpet, AstroTurf. Doesn't work good on gravel. Anything the same size is going to pick it up and throw it in. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, year parts replacement, and it's kind of made, the way it works is made to just kind of push it forward. They all kind of the shells get pushed into the basket, and all of it is like the wheels are polypropylene, and so everything is replaceable, and it's durable, and so if anything ever breaks, you never have to replace the whole unit. You can just replace a single part. You don't have to replace the whole machine. But we've had people have them for over 10 years, and no problem.
Oh, perfect, perfect.
Block the size of the size.